Okay. Getting started a little bit later today because I had a urgent care appointment. Hello, Martin. Hello, Adam. GS Dave. Hello. Good morning. Good morning, Nisa. Sorry, I'm a little under the weather. So, Ollie, hello. Leonard, Albert. Yes. Hello, everyone. I'm sorry. I just need to say, instead of naming all the names, say hello, everybody. Okay. Oh, man. Excuse me. Yes, excited for HEHE announcements. Listen, let's get to 10,000 likes on TikTok. And I'm not going to share the announcements, but announcement number 1 is coming today. These announcements were done by this is orchestrated by the C-suite, which somebody messaged me, was like, hey, I don't like it, you call them the C-suite. I don't care. All right. This was orchestrated by the C-suite. They called me. We got on a call on Saturday, and I was blown away. I am telling you, this is not an insignificant thing. Do I think Sage is dropping now? No. I think he's going to wait for the market to turn. But the chances that you're not going to be excited, it's pretty much zero. I can't imagine any of you who hold HEHE not being excited about these 3 announcements. There may be varying degrees of excitement, but all 3 of them are bangers. So, hello everyone. Waka Flocka, congrats. I don't know anything about that, but good morning, evening, afternoon, wherever you're going. ICP dropped a bit. Yeah, I saw that. Hey, Luxury Cigar Reviewer. I had a good weekend. Father's Day, you know. All right, where am I longing ICP if I'm going to open a long? Easily $8.52. I missed the announcement as a video. No, watch my most recent TikTok. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Thank you, Tiras. So, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Announcement number 1 is coming today. But I'm not going to make that announcement during this live stream. So, market thoughts. We're below some moving averages. We would need to see a pretty significant upward move here pretty soon, or we're just gonna I think what's gonna happen if we don't is we're just going to continue to range instead of what I was hoping for a breakout. Hey Lavi, I was hoping for a breakout that we would continue an uptrend and just a slow uptrend throughout the summer, but based off of where we are with the moving averages, I tend to think we're more so just going to drag along throughout the entire, or throughout the rest of the second quarter, early third quarter. But, you know, fourth quarter, late third quarter, early fourth quarter. Cup and handle on the Bitcoin weekly. We already had the cup and handle, and then we got rejected. Oh, wait, on the weekly? Oh, I don't know about the weekly. Maybe the weekly. We'll see. Maybe. I can see something like that. Yeah. All right. Alex, we're talking about Land Wolf. I'm going to make a TikTok about Land Wolf sometime this afternoon, my afternoon. So, yeah, Land Wolf, like I said, yeah, I'm going to make a TikTok about it. It's one of those Matt Fury cryptos, right? You know, it's like, I think it's going to do very well. And it's at last I checked, like a $38 million market cap. It seems to me like a pretty, what's the word? Obvious play. Are there other influencers making one at the same time? I don't know. I'm making one. Pablo, who? Pablo He-Man? I know that Shmoo. I'm in Shmoo's calls Telegram group. And I am in I'm in Luis's calls, his one as well. I need some Carmex. Is that for my lips? Guys, I was I was diagnosed. I have strep throat right now, and so if I come off as a little subdued, then that's why I have to plow through today. Yeah. Thank you, Luxury Cigar Reviewer. Today is a day that I cannot miss. I mean, it's really unfortunate, but like there's these 3 big HEHE announcements. Those I have to be here for those announcements. So I'm gonna. I don't know if I'm going to be I'm going to be live all that long today. Thank you, Digital Paint. Is the bull run continuing soon? It's gonna take some time, but we will continue. Thank you guys. Yeah, drink a lot of water. The doctor said to drink a lot of water. Yeah. So guys, I am live on YouTube. When is Alt Rally coming? Not for a few months. I'm live on YouTube. World War Bitcoin. Yeah, LCX at 21 again. Goodbye, or wait for potentially under 20. I would be buying LCX right now. I mean, we've been talking about this range, in the bottom of this range, for quite a while. So, well, I mean, it is below the range, but you can see there was some wicks below. It's right there, right at the bottom. Quant's still a good buy. I have not been excited about Quant for several months. So will HEHE move soon? Listen, Tony, I'm telling you, these are not insignificant announcements. And I'm not going to give any clues right now, but they are the kind of things that will cause, in my opinion, very much cause HEHE's price to rise significantly. RXP thought on this new meme coin. I mean, I own some. Aaron Ministry of Crypto said he was shilling it. So there we go. Yeah, Land Wolf's a great play. If you build it, they will come. Yeah. Alex the Meme by Tate. Daddy, what do you think? I bought some just in case. He said he was burning at $1 billion, right? That's I just heard that through the grapevine. So, all right. So let's get to $1 billion and see what happens. Is Crow Coin still goodbye? Yes. Ondo, still very bullish on Ondo, although I haven't looked at the chart. Ondo, $1.09. I was looking at it on my members only live stream, and I wasn't too excited about it last Tuesday when I was talking about it in the members only live stream. In a sense that it needs to cool off a little bit, but I'm not expecting it to go all that much lower. How to buy Daddy Tate in the USA? You need a Solana-based wallet. I'm sorry, I can't go through that right now. Thank you, everybody. What do you think about all the hype around Sage? I mean, if you can get it on Sage under $1 million, then you're going to kill it. It's just the lower, it's one of those things, it's really weird. The lower the market cap that you get in on Sage, the more money you put into it. Not financial advice. When's the HEHE announcement? I don't know anything about WBTC on base. I don't know what that is. The HEHE announcement, I don't actually know when the Monday announcement. So remember, guys, there's an announcement on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I don't know when the Monday announcement's going to be. I got instructions from the C-suite that once this live stream gets to 10,000 likes, that I'm not specifically sharing that announcement, but I'm just telling you guys, huge announcement. And tomorrow is a huge announcement, and then Wednesday's an enormous announcement for HEHE, a price-affecting announcement. But listen, all right. So I'm not going to say the announcement. I'll tease it, but it's not one of those things like Sage where it's just like you never know when it's actually going to happen. I'm telling you, announcement number 1 is coming today. Announcement number 2 is coming tomorrow, okay? And announcement number 3 is coming on Wednesday. So anyway, so let's see. Hope you feel better. Thank you. All right. Honey with black seed oil does wonders for strep throat or sore throat. Thank you. I have a meeting at 3, and then I'm going to go home and probably crash really hard. So I have a question regarding Pendle. You gave Pendle a $14 billion market cap, which is $57. However, there's less circulating supply with Pendle, meaning that a $14 billion market cap will be $100. That's a great question. I didn't know about that or account for that in my video. I'm just going to stick with a $57 market cap. But who knows? You know, maybe it'll get to $100. Hot toddy, honey, lemon slices, cinnamon stick, and spiced rum. That sounds like a lot. I don't know if I have that stuff, and I'm definitely not going to the store. Thoughts on picking up Render and Ondo on these red days? Yeah, definitely. Boiling water. Okay, can you look at Bambit on Solana? Not right now, I'm sorry. Do you have somewhere which lists also all your social media subscriptions and pricing times when you go live and other ways we can interact with you in one place? Enrique, I don't know. No, and I don't have any pricing for social media. Well, no, that's not true. I have my subscribers only on TikTok and my members on YouTube. Subscribers, it's $5.99 a month. Members, it's $9.99 a month. Oh man, Lane Wi-Fi base hasn't been doing much. You meant Solana. Yeah, Solana, that's what I meant. Yes, that's what I talked about. Under $1 million will be so difficult. Even under like 5 million or 10 million, I think will be good for Sage. So ICP thoughts. Nothing's changed with my price target, but I did give an entry for ICP. It's very close to where the price is now. It's $8.52. Alex, what would you do with $3,500 for fast return? I know this is not financial advice. All right, this is going to sound crazy, but I'm telling you, these huge announcements that are coming with HEHE. I'm not talking about, free T-shirts with HEHE holders. I'm talking about things that will have a significant impact on the price. Okay. Yeah, still believe all-time high will be 2024. Yes, I do. All right, just bought more HEHE. Awesome. I should have bought more before. Oh man, did you see the Floco launch and controversy last night? I did not. No. What happened with ICP and what do you say about Pendle? Did the price target go lower or higher? Top-notch geography. Somebody pointed out that their supply is decreasing, which would mean a higher price target. Yeah, SSN mentioned that. And ICP, what happened with it? I mean, just the market's down. Altcoins are down. Fighting the urge to not full port. HEHE. Nice. Okay, where to buy HEHE, and also is Emerald a good buy? Emerald might be a good buy. I've been it's just so many altcoins look terrible right now. And I wouldn't be surprised. It's just like I want to see a higher high on the daily. I want to see a confirmed reversal with these altcoins. It's really frustrating right now because Bitcoin's just kind of holding, but then a lot of altcoins looking at the charts, it's like just show me a single higher high on the daily on some of these altcoins just to get me a little bit excited. XRP's moving. I saw something about a whale buying $28 million of XRP or something like that. So it's up 6%. There we go. I would still not. I would wait for some kind of a higher high on the daily chart with XRP. Yeah, Pendle's still a good play. All right, so where do you buy HEHE? You could buy it on Jupiter and on Radium. You could buy it on Dex. I keep forgetting the name of it. Never mind. Or Coinbase Wallet. You can buy it on Coinbase Wallet. Somebody needs to remind me of the name of this exchange that we got listed on. And again, sorry for being so sluggish. I have strep right now. So, do you have a video of how to buy HEHE? Join the Telegram group. Go to the website hehe.community. Oh my goodness. Somebody just bought a large amount of HEHE. Okay, somebody just bought $8,000 worth of HEHE. So, Alex, if you would give out a new price target for Ondo, what would it be? Good luck with your throat. Thank you. I don't know, maybe around $10. So, all right. So I do want to address something here. Does this mean, let's just say, that because of all the hype with what I'm talking about with these huge announcements with HEHE, could this turn into a buy the rumor, sell the news event? I want to tell you right now this news is significant enough that, you know, maybe somebody will take profits once the news drops, and that person, that will end up being the biggest regret in that person's life. I am telling you. Oh my goodness. I have zero concern. So it's not like, what's it called? It's not like SOBA. They made an announcement of some big news. And I don't know if they announced that news. I know what it is. I think I know what it is. This is not SOBA, okay? This is not getting listed on a major exchange. And I'm sorry if I'm spoiling anything. I hope I'm not. Okay, this is the kind of thing that, all right, if somebody's going to buy $8,000 worth of HEHE right now, and they don't sell on the event of the news dropping, they would be stupid to sell on the event of the news dropping. So, which crypto are you talking about? Sorry, I just got here. HEHE. Wow, yeah, it's moving very, very dramatically. And guys, all right, we got to 10,000 likes. What's going on here? Listen, I got on a phone call on Saturday with Zach, Will, and Pascali, and they wanted to share with me some significant things that they were working on, and I already knew one of them. The one that I already knew got me really excited, and I think that one's going to shock you. And I'm trying to be a little bit discreet here, and I think that one's going to shock you because I think your first question would be like, why? Why would such and such want to be with HEHE, want to work, whatever? You know, I think I already gave out too much information. And the reason is because they know the value of what I bring to the table, okay? So they have a huge benefit, whoever they are, which you're just going to have to wait and see. I think that's Tuesday's announcement that I'm already giving too many hints about. And then the other two announcements they are not insignificant. They are so, and you're going to hear one of them today. So announcement number 1, big announcement. Announcement number 2, big announcement. Announcement number 3, huge announcement. And these are not announcements that are buy the rumor, sell the news announcements. They are announcements that when you hear them, you will want to buy more. I can almost, I'd never say 100%. I never guarantee anything, but I am telling you, when you hear these announcements, we're not talking about free t-shirts for HEHE holders. We're talking about announcements that are going to get you excited to buy more HEHE. Okay. What's your favorite coin to buy at this dump? I don't know, man. HEHE up 39%. I should have bought more. This is the kind of, I mean, I'm sorry. It was under 0.4 of a cent earlier today. And I was thinking of saying something along the lines of like, this is such an obvious, like, you should have bought more thing. You're going to look back at the end of this week or early next week and think, yeah, I should have bought more before, when the first time I heard of these announcements. So, okay. Except Bitcoin and ETH, other coins are nearly dead now. There's some, yeah, I mean, a lot of them are struggling. So let's talk about that, because you got to remember, where were we at this time in 2020? Dogecoin was ranging between 0.2 and 0.4 of a penny in June of 2020. Cardano was ranging between 2 and 4 cents. Cardano got up to $3. Ethereum was under $300 at this time in 2020. And so here's what happened. We had the spot Bitcoin ETFs launch, and that just got the market a little too excited a little too soon. There really was no reason for these altcoins to pump the way that they did. And so now it seems like we're just reverting back to where we were. And, you know, we might have a little bit more down to go, but I wouldn't expect them all to go back all the way back down to bear market bottoms. Yeah. So I don't have a favorite coin to buy at this dump. I don't know, man. All right, sorry. Guys, again, I'm live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. Head over to YouTube, World War Bitcoin, and I can't answer every question there. I can't answer every question on TikTok. So Mike bought another big bag right before the pump. There we go. I should have bought more in my buy and never sell wallet. You know, I have a buy and never sell wallet. I am buying HEHE. I am committed to never selling it. Maybe I'll donate some to charity. You know, I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'm never going to sell it. So maybe I'll just use that for marketing eventually. Let's see. With this red market, I'm stacking my Ondo bag. I think that's a good call. Thoughts on Caspa? I warned last week about Caspa. It pumped very well. I'm not surprised by that. I think Caspa is going to do very well. It got to $1.07. Or sorry, my price target's $1.07. Let me check Jasmine real quick. Oh, crap. Oh, Jasmine. I had a long open on Jasmine, but it got closed out. It got stopped out. So Caspa was in the mid. It got rejected at the top of a range. It's had support at the bottom of a range. If I were looking to enter Caspa, it would be right around 15 cents, 15 flat. So $1.07 is my price target. Let's see. Do you think we could see a $10 to $15 billion pendle? My target's $57. So could we? Oh yeah. All right. SSN. We could definitely. Yeah. So thinking of switching my beam for it. Sure. Why are people panicking? I don't know. There's always the looming fear. There are no rules, only guides. You know. Are some people saying that this is the end of the bull? That, like, the bull run's over? I think that's absurd. We hit a new all-time high before the halving. We just need some time, you know. Do you think we could see Bitcoin dumping 55% like it did in 2021? No. The difference between now and 2021 is let me look up MVRV score. The amount of money that people were in profit was it was so much more significant than where it is now. And we had those, you know, the spot Bitcoin ETFs. We had the spot Bitcoin ETFs where they've largely accumulated Bitcoin. We have the 200-week simple moving average. I'll look up the 200-week simple moving average in a second here, but that is much higher than where it was at this time in 2021. So look, the MVRV score in 2021, this is essentially an indicator of how much people are in profit. It topped at a score of 7.13. At not even very insignificant, unexciting times in 2016, 2017, the MVRV score got up to a score of 3, and then a little bit exciting times it got up to a score of 5. Right now, as in 2024, the MVRV score peaked at 306. This is at least going to get to 5 or 6 or something like that. But the descent down from here is not anywhere near as significant as the descent down from a 7.13 MVRV score. And then also let's look at the historic 200-week simple moving average for Bitcoin. And you'll see another thing. This is a significant bear market bottom testing region, which we spent some time below it in the previous bear market. I think that was largely because of FTX. But yeah, he's on fire. There we go. But here we go. I mean, this has historically been a fantastic bear market bottom indicator. And the 200-week simple moving average in March of 2021, let's say April of 2021, that first peak was $11,085. Right now, the 200-week simple moving average is $35,824. The fact that the idea that we would get down to the 200-week simple moving average with this close to the halving, only 2 months removed from the halving, something like that is unprecedented. It's never happened before. I mean, maybe it would happen again this time, but I don't see it happening. Not 35,000 or what am I thinking? Oh, not a 50% drop, you know? So, Do you think Beam's a good spot buy right now? Probably not. Give me a second here. Hold on a second. Oh, there we go, GS Dave. It's going to be 4 announcements when we wind up hitting $10 million in next week. There we go. They pumped way too hard in March, yeah. Finally grabbed some HEEHEE. Welcome, Randy. Minimum HEEHEE recommendations, 20,000 HEEHEE. That's going to get you access to the premium Discord. Maybe this run does go to 2025. The macroeconomics of the cycle is scary. I mean, I'm always open. I'm always open to that possibility. MAGA on base is taken off today. Cool. I'm not going to look at it right now, but that's cool. Saludos. Hello. Hello, Renan. All right. Do I think Beam's a good spot buy right now? Probably not. Yeah, no, it's not. You have to wait. You have to wait for some kind of a reversal. Now, all right, there's a lot of strength in this consolidation zone from January. So I wouldn't be surprised if it went. I wouldn't be surprised if it held up where it is right now. So let me just correct myself. This is probably a good time to buy Beam right now. But I could see it chopping. I mean, how long did it chop there? December 12th until February 9th. I could see it chopping in this range for another month and a half or something like that. So just be mindful of that. How do I buy HEEHEE? Should we buy now or wait till it cools down? I can't give any recommendations for buying now or waiting for a dip, but here's just you need a Solana-based wallet. You know, you need. I have a Phantom wallet. You need some Solana in that wallet, okay? And so when you do that, here's what you do. You have your Solana. And then you want to buy HEEHEE. Now, I can type it in and it'll show up. It's on the strict list now, but you need the one with, you can see that small picture of Michael Jackson there. I can't change that. You need that. So you can do, if you can do that, then great. But here's another way to do it. You need the contract address. So go to deckscreener.com, look up HEEHEE, and look for the fox, the Woodford fox. And then copy the HEEHEE contract address. There you go. And then you paste it into instead of exchanging Solana for USDC, paste the contract address. And there you go. HEEHEE will show up. And so, sure, I'll buy some HEEHEE right now. I'll contribute to the cause. I'm just going to buy it for the moment, just for demonstration purposes, 0.1 Solana worth of HEEHEE, and I'll swap. So, you know, it's connecting to my Phantom wallet, and I'm going to approve it after I type in my password. All right, 0.1 Solana for 2,000 HEEHEE. Yeah, HEEHEE just flew because we have some huge announcements coming this week. Is the transaction's confirmed? So I just bought some HEEHEE. HEEHEE to the moon, y'all. There we go. Okay, guys, I'm live on YouTube. World War Bitcoin. Is HEEHEE going to the moon? I believe so. Take a look at RXP. I already looked at RXP. Yeah, I'm in on it. Which HEEHEE is correct on Coinbase Wallet? You need the contract address. It starts with 9DLUVB. The number 9, the letter DLUVB. 90 Love Bug. So, okay. Yeah, my Land Wolf call is doing well. Thank you. Yeah. All of the calls in my Telegram call channel have done well. I haven't done many, but all of them have done well. Let's see. Saludos. Do you think... All right. Maple Finance. I don't know anything about Maple Finance. I'm sorry. Sidus Heroes or Mavia. Neither of them right now. None of the above right now. Should we worry about ICP or will it go more than $100 to $200? I'm not worried about ICP. Zero worry about ICP. Is it good to buy Zay after July unlocking? No, it's not good. It's going to be super inflationary. Yeah, Kashi, there we go. Top for Jasmine. My target's 11.5 cents. That's probably too low. This is my first bull. I'm overall down about 10 to 20%, where previous bull runs much more brutal. Yes, very much so. 10 to 20% dips were much like we, at least for Bitcoin. So, I mean, the altcoins, they're down a lot, and that was pretty unexpected. But Bitcoin in the past, 2016, 2017, Bitcoin had six drops, six dips between 29 and 39%. And six dips between 29 and 39%. And every time people were like, man, I don't know, is it over? I don't know, man. So it's not over. Good. Oh, shoot. All right, Aerodrome. I saw a question about Aerodrome. There we go. Aerodrome is at a level that I've been interested in buying like right now. It can go lower. I mean, maybe it'll go to 67 cents, but thoughts on the Bitcoin Pi cycle indicator hasn't profited yet. Also, have you looked at USDT dominance resistance levels? Yeah, I've paid plenty of attention to the Pi cycle indicator. I know we're nowhere near it, and so around the time that we do hit the Pi cycle indicator top, a lot of people are going to be exiting 100% of their Bitcoin for the bull run. So it's, who knows, man. Just another tool to be looking into. Why is HEHE pumping right now? We have some major announcements this week, and I'm telling you, they are not insignificant. Looking to replace my Beam with a 10 to 15x play. I've been thinking of Pendle, but I don't know. Beam, I believe Beam will 10 to 15x. It's just not going to happen anytime soon. So let's see. You're welcome, Shabraj. I can give recommendations, and the recommendation is buy now. There we go. HEHE to the moon. What are your expectations for HEHE this bull run? Do you have any videos on this? I've made lots of videos on TikTok. Listen, Gabriel, here's the deal. All right. I got on a space with the guy, Devin Dajewski. He is on, he took over Solnik after the founder dumped his supply. And you've got to find people like him and like me. He talked about how he is committing to eating no sugar and drinking no alcohol and eating one meal a day between now and when Solnik hits a $100 million market cap. He is pushing this thing. He will never, ever, ever quit. It made me believe in him and in Solnik. And when he said that, I came to the realization we are very much of the same mindset, me and him. I will not let this fail. I will not let this fail. I will see this thing, and it's not just me. Yeah, it's on Coinbase Wallet. Yeah, Solnik similarity. That's what I'm talking about. It's not just me. The team, the guys who have been added recently, they're killing it. And my end game is that this would be a top 5 meme coin. And sure, you know what? It might not happen. It's probably not going to happen this time around. Top 5, at least, no, probably not. But I have a meme coin portfolio. I expect every one of those meme coins to at least do a 10x. I expect HEHE to one day be over $1 billion in market cap, but top 5 would mean that it would have to be much more. I will not stop. I will never stop with this cryptocurrency. What else was I going to say? I was just going to say something else. I don't know. Top 5. Let me answer some other questions and maybe I'll get back to that. Oh yeah, here's the other thing. Okay. You guys know, I'm more reserved. I am more reserved in my I'm not like an egotist. I'm not somebody who's just going to speak moon boy language and talk about how I'm all that and everything. I mean, for those of you who've been around for a while, you know that. But I want to tell you something. I started a business in 2012, and then there was a rival business started at the same time. In the first year, it looked like they were going to win, and then 2 years later, my business took off. I kept on grinding at it. My business took off. It was insane. And I blew my competitor out of the water. And the reason why I'm saying this is like, it doesn't matter how low he goes. I tend to find over and over again, the way that I am built is I always win in the end. I always win. Because, you know, somebody called me once a cat of nine lives, Rocky Balboa. Like, I always win in the end. And you got Hehe, but then you have all these other meme coins in existence. Who are you competing against? I'm competing against every other meme coin in existence. And you know, you might have gotten excited about price action with other cryptos over the last few weeks, and then looked at Hehe and then been really bummed out about it, thinking that it was over. I got a message from one of you this morning pretty much announcing that it was over, and I was like, dude, your timing is very interesting. We'll see about this, okay? It's never going to be over, you know? Am I breathing? Let me check. Yeah, I'm breathing, okay? So if I'm breathing, guess what? It's not over. All right? So we will win. Very bullish on Velodrome. Oh, gosh. Yeah, what's your thought on Velodrome? I'm very bullish on Velodrome. All right, the first few letters of the Landwolf contract address. There's room for all meme coins? No. There's room for, you know, ahead of Euphoria for all meme coins? Yes. But right now, all of the money in Solana meme coins, it's all the same money just sloshing around. And so we are very much, for Solana, we're competing against each other. Yeah, Rick. Yeah, I know. I'm sticking with this. I'm going to go for an hour. So somebody asked for the Landwolf contract address. Here it is. I'm posting it in the YouTube live stream. So the Landwolf contract address is now in the YouTube live stream if you want the Landwolf contract address. What market cap do you think he would reach after these announcements? I don't know, man. All I'll say is I have a feeling we're going to have to launch that premium Discord very soon. If you don't know what I'm talking about, join the Telegram group, okay? So... Is today a goodbye to day by Arrow, LCX, or should I wait a little? I think those are both at the bottom of certain ranges. Hello from Bangalore, India. Hello, Arokia. Alts breaking down in the short term doesn't seem that surprising, given that the market is likely pricing a shift to 3-to-1 rate cut this year. Yeah, Crayon Dave, that makes sense. Crypto Sage is really killing the hype with Sage. He took too long. Maybe. Whoa, Crypto Gumby just picked up 1 million Hehe. That's awesome, man. Rebalancing my portfolio. Should I sell some of my Bitcoin to invest in other projects? I wouldn't sell right now. Alts can still go down a decent amount. So, thank you, Milas. When are we going up again? Please tell me. I bought a lot of DCA and TokenFi and ARB and AGIX. Looking at the charts, there's certain levels that Bitcoin has lost. I think that we're just going to continue to chop between $60,000 and $70,000 for another few months. So this year end easy, $3 to $5 trillion market cap. That seems about right. Yeah. Is HEHE on Coinbase Wallet? Yes. And which land wolf on ETH? No, on Solana. Don't think I will ever sell my HEHE bag. I mean, sure, you don't have to be like me. Render price prediction $35, but that's way too low. Retailer out from market. Yeah, for now, just wait. We are in this for the long haul. C-Suite ain't going nowhere. We're with you. HEHE will be top 5 meme one day. There we go. Pascali, one of the C-Suite members. I always win. That is the most badass statement. I love the mentality. Let's go. Yeah, sure, Dave. Yes, Hash AI is still a buy. I know it's down a lot. I'm sure that for some people that sounds really arrogant. It's an observation, because there's been so many times that I've been backed into a corner, and all right, there we go, Foxy. And whenever I'm backed into a corner, like I just start swinging, you know? And so listen, I can't take credit for these announcements. I can take zero credit for these announcements that are coming. But still, I'm just going to move on. HODL at this point. Yeah. Chainlink price prediction, $58.33. Could you look at Gary Network once, buddy? Hold on a second. All right, don't let a win get to your head or a loss get to your heart. There we go. I don't let wins get to my head. That's for sure. The loss is getting to my heart. Yeah, that matters. That I need to hear that. So Gary Network. What is Gary Network? $7.6 million. Web3 live streaming. I don't know, man. I'm not all that much of a believer in Web3 live streaming. So, not yet at least. But, I mean, it's crypto, man. You know, people are just going to dream about the world changing and everything. The chart looks really ugly. Market cap. And all that to say, it could be amazing. Gary Network. Yes, can't wait for the Discord group. Yep, render price prediction $35. That's too conservative. Land Wolf prediction. I can't imagine Land Wolf getting under $100 million in market cap. So, like peaking at under 100 million, it probably has multiple hundreds of millions. Nobico still bullish, very much so. Yes. Boom. I have nothing on Boom. Hello, Crowman. He is at 5 million. That's right. Yeah, Great Crusade. Vasilis just posted the contract address for HEHE. Hey, man, when do you predict the market will turn around and start ripping? As of right now, looking at recent price action, I'm tending to think it's going to be the end of August or something like that. So, Land Wolf. I'm going to make a video about Land Wolf. Yeah, it's worth holding. Thoughts on Mint Layer's 1 billion market cap possible? Mint Layer's been struggling a lot lately, but I mean, we're going to have a big run for Bitcoin Layer 2s. Spurto, I could see Spurto doing very well. I can't give you the Land Wolf address right now. Wow, it's pretty much right back down to where it was before it pumped. $11 million market cap. I don't think it's going to $1 billion. Oh, my poor altcoins. Yeah, they're rough. Okay, guys. I'm sorry. I have to switch over to subscriber only on TikTok. But I'm still live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. Head on over to YouTube, World War Bitcoin, and I'll gladly answer your questions there. Ether and IONet. I just really, I gave up being excited about Ether because of how long it took. There was just too much hype and everything. I just haven't looked into those yet. IONet, I don't know enough. So XRP price prediction $3.02. Yeah, market turnaround, start ripping. At this point, it seems like maybe end of August. People can now book hotels and flights with Brett. I really regret fading Brett. Wow. I'm still holding my Brett. How long for MC can hold Hehe until 1 million? I'm not sure what you mean, unique birds. But, you know, I wouldn't be surprised if Hehe, if that was a major psychological level for people and there was some profit taking there, but I think we're going higher than that. Still bullish on Nabico and Landwolf. Yes, please. My goodness, stop asking if I'm still... Every cryptocurrency I'm still bullish on except for like 2. On Solana. What about on Solana Luxury Cigar Reviewer? Yeah, market cap Landwolf 33 million. That's right. I've looked for Hehe a few times and see more than one. How do I know which one to buy? Yours. Go to dexscreener.com and look up Hehe. Look for the Fox logo with the yellow background. And then go down and find the contract address. It starts with 9DLUV. Thank you, Miguel. I thought I missed your live stream. You did not. I went to urgent care because I don't know if you can tell, but I'm under the weather. So, all right, I just posted the contract address. All right, how's Tau doing? Is it done? Is it bottoming out yet? You never know. Altcoins can go down even further. $295. Wow. I don't think it's done bottoming out. I think I could see it going as low as $213. Alephium, Axelar price prediction. Axelar is not, I don't have an Axelar price prediction. Alephium is around $90. What do you think of Sagecoin? You think it will be a hit? I think it's going to be a huge hit for the first few days. We'll see about after that. We'll see if he has what it takes after that. Where is the announcement today? I'm assuming on Telegram. I'll make a video. I'll tweet, you know. I'm gonna be making multiple Hehe videos this week about the announcements, and so I just pasted the contract address on YouTube, Adam and Rafal. Oh wait, I meant to say Rafal. Let's see. ZK Sync just launched, worth holding. I think so. I don't know. I don't know specifically though. Where did you post the contract address? YouTube. World War Bitcoin on YouTube. I posted it there in the chat. Yeah, Michael Jackson face on Hehe, okay, and Phantom Wallet, yes. Just make sure you put in the right contract address. How low do you see AOs going? I don't know. It's at 54 cents. Swing low from a couple months ago was 53. How about 52.62? I mean, for how long market cap can we hold 100 million or than that, or more than that, so we can take also some profits? I think we'll be over 100 million for a while. Bow King, I don't know anything about it. Please stop asking me if I'm still bullish. Please stop asking me. The answer, still bullish on yes. The answer is yes. Why is the picture on Phantom different? Because I created it on Pump.Fun. If you don't know anything about the backstory, I created it on Pump.Fun. This was before Pump.Fun was even a thing, you know? It wasn't anything significant. And I scrolled through my computer and found a contract address. And, found a picture. And that picture was of a Michael Jackson Next bot for the video game Gary's Mod. So I was like, okay, I'll use this picture. But then I was never able to change it. That's the only thing. That's the only thing that I'm, you know, everything else is changeable. So if possible, should pin the CA, HEHE CA every live. So maybe people starting out don't know how to find it. Can I do that? All right, it's pinned right now. Hopefully that stays there. Finally, I was able to buy 1,000 worth of HEHE. There we go. There's a HEHE on Phantom. Is that at 6 E's? When I created it, I typed in HEEE, HEEE. That's most likely it. But make sure it's the right one by copying the contract address. Sage IMO will be the biggest pump and up ever if you get in early, sell while you're up. You might be right about that. Thank you, Luxury Cigar Reviewer. Yes, that is true. What is the market cap right now? I'm looking to possibly invest for HEHE. Right now, at this moment, it's at a $5 million market cap. You're welcome, Ash. What's the Soba HEHE beef about? There is no beef. People have gotten upset about some things that he said about me or about HEHE. Or I wouldn't even say things that he said, things that he speculated. And then I said something just factual last time I went live. And some of you went and reported to Crypto Bastard that I was talking trash about him. And so you guys, some of you just love to create drama. You want there to be a beef between me and Crypto Bastard, and there is no beef. Now, do I want HEHE to outperform Soba? Of course I do. Does he want Soba to outperform HEHE? Yes, but I have my sights set higher than Soba. I mean, if anyone has an incentive for there to be a beef between myself and Crypto Bastard, it's Crypto Bastard. It's not me. I would need to aim higher with somebody who I would have a beef with. So there is no beef. TikTok is nothing but drama. Yeah. I think it's disrespectful to raid people's lives shilling a token. I think so too. So I turn it on them. Risk to profit ratio at today's prices just kind of makes something like Render or Arwe feel like a safer buy than Ether. That's a good point, Crayon Dave. Waterboarding, there we go. Yeah. Waterboarded. Too many noobs getting into crypto. Yeah, we need the noobs. We need the dumb questions. Are you still bullish on this crypto you talked about 2 days ago? What amount is the biggest wallet in terms of coins? Because I will be the biggest. Good luck with that. I mean, you can see all the holders here. The biggest wallet, I know who this is. He has not sold a dime. He bought in on Pump.Fun. He has not sold a dime. I didn't even realize he bought more after it launched. So I know who that holder is. He won't sell until yeah, our exit liquidity. That's right. That's talking about the noobs. He won't sell until he'll ask me if I think it's a good time to sell. And right now, absolutely not. Absolutely not. So, thank you, Cody. So don't worry about that biggest wallet. And then when he sells, he knows how to be a whale. The second biggest wallet, so I don't know. Oh, wait a second. Okay. The third biggest wallet is one that is that this person has communicated they mostly want to just give a large chunk of their HEHE to marketing. So you don't need to worry about that one either. I don't know who the second biggest wallet is. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know who that is. But let's see their transactions. I mean, you'll see diamond hands, no sales, none. It's all diamond hands. I miss your thoughts on Ether. I don't really have any thoughts on Ether. I got really excited about it in March. And then they launched and they got over $300 million market cap. It's like, I'm not interested right now. I wish I had to, I wish I got to get in somehow, get some access earlier, you know, but nope. Somebody's filling their pockets. It's not me. What do you think of Fetch and Ajax price from here? I wouldn't touch it until the merge. I don't know. Let's get HEHE to a $10 million market cap today. Nice. Elliot. All right. I didn't know that. Top 10 wallet. There we go. Wish I bought more yesterday. Yep. Is Sage going to be a pump and dump? I think he needs to be careful. No, I would just hold it. I have not looked into the merge. I'm not interested in the merge for Fetch and Ajax. I would say that Sage needs to be careful because I think people are getting exhausted with the hype. So, yeah, what are this week's lotto numbers? There we go. People creating beefs are keyboard warriors who have no life. Yeah. Oh, hey, Crypto Bastard. I was just on Alex's live stream and he was talking so much trash about you by saying, no, you know what? It doesn't even matter what he just, I don't remember what he said, but he was talking so much trash about you. Amen to that. I don't even know what you're saying amen to, Josh. It drives me crazy because people did the same thing with me. When Crypto Bastard was apparently talking trash about me, and then I would go and watch the video where apparently he was talking trash about me, and it didn't sound like he was talking trash. I mean, so the video that he made last week where he was responding to, oh, amen to getting tired about the hype, yeah. He was responding to somebody reporting to him that I was talking trash about him. He talked a little bit of trash in that video, but he didn't know the full story, so. Yes, Zambino, am I still bullish? Yes. Alex, I joined a calls TG of some guy named Belfort on Twitter. I think he is calling coins he is a part of and just dumping them on people. You got to be mindful. You got to be careful with that. RXP, I bought some. I'm still holding it. I have no intention of selling, so there's my thoughts, you know. I'll show you this guy. There's a guy who I started following on X and then I unfollowed him because he is the lowest of lows. He is a turd sandwich. And I apologize to turds because the turds might be better than him. But this guy, Pauly, 216,000 followers. He has posted his public Solana address. And so here's what Pauly does. He will tweet a cryptocurrency. and then it will be a cryptocurrency he owns 25% of the supply of, something like that. And then that'll get a few $1 million injected into that cryptocurrency. And at the same time that those few $1 million are going into the cryptocurrency, you can see his public address. He is dumping his supply on these people who he's treating as exit liquidity, and making $300,000+ per tweet. So this guy is terrible. He is the worst. And then he says to people, show me proof on the blockchain that I scam people. Yeah, this guy's so awful. So be mindful of stuff like that. You just got to be mindful. Hehe and Solnick, yeah. Hehe market cap almost doubled in minutes, up 71%. Absolutely incredible. All right, LaRon lost interest in Sage. I don't blame you. All right, Tony, there we go. Good call. All right, guys, if you don't know, I have strep throat right now, and I'm going to be done. This was a day that I couldn't miss, and there's still other things I need to do. So, let's see. Yeah, I'll drink some water. This meme mania is terrible. Can't wait for ETH Bitcoin chart to break out so we can get utility plays run. Yeah, that sounds good. All right. Thank you all for your time. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll see you next time. Thank you, Zach.